A young scholar, eager to learn about Zen, traveled far to meet a wise Zen master. When he arrived, he was full of excitement and began to speak of all the books he had read and the knowledge he had gathered. He told the master, "I have studied so much, and I understand many things. I have come to learn the true essence of Zen." The Zen master listened patiently and then invited the scholar to join him for tea. The scholar continued to speak about his knowledge as the master began to pour the tea. The master poured the tea into the scholar's cup, but even as the cup filled to the brim, he did not stop. The tea began to overflow, spilling onto the table and then onto the floor. The scholar, shocked, finally exclaimed, "Stop! The cup is full! It can't hold any more tea!" The Zen master calmly stopped pouring and looked at the scholar. "You are like this cup," he said. "You are so full of your own opinions and knowledge that nothing more can be added. If you wish to learn the true essence of Zen, you must first empty your cup." The scholar was struck by the wisdom in the master's words. He realized that in order to truly learn and grow, he needed to let go of his preconceptions and approach life with an open mind. The moral of the story is, to truly gain wisdom, one must be open to new perspectives and willing to let go of preconceived notions. Only an empty cup can be filled. Only a humble heart can grow. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more such videos.